Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're just doing some makeup. As you might have noticed, I am in the same outfit I was in the last video because I'm trying to get some content filmed while my daughter is at the grocery store, and that is life in the summer. You get the same outfit in 2 videos. Woo woo. Also, like, look at how cute these earrings are. Please, stop. Anyways, because we have this like pink-green situation going on my earrings and we're wearing this like little green smocked gingham top, I thought we would just do some like pink eyeshadow. Really easy, nothing too crazy. I've already done my complexion and my eyebrows, a very like sheer complexion because your girl's got some situations going on and I don't want to like suffocate those. I recently got in a BoxyCharm, Ipsy, what's it called now? I don't know. They've combined and now I like don't know what to call it, but in my makeup subscription I got the VOSS Sakura Blossom palette, and that's the box. Boom. This is the palette itself. It is super nice, very pink, shimmers, mattes, everything goodness. I love it. I think it matches these earrings, so I think that's what we're gonna do today. I don't know where I want to start. All my brushes are dirty, so we're going to just figure it out, I guess. Let's start with Spring. This is matte. It's like a matte pink. And we're going to put that in/above my crease area. We are working with like a hooded situation. I do have a little bit of concealer on my eyelids, but nothing like crazy. And I'm just using a Wet n Wild crease brush to start. This looks bright. It is bright. Alright, I don't know what I want to do next, so we're going to maybe go into Festival and create like more of a defined crease. Festival is also a matte, and I'm going in with a Mikasa E310, which is like a fluffy pencil brush, and I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm just trying, I don't know, I'm just doing a makeup look. Like, if you guys ever wanted to know if I have a plan going into these makeup videos, the answer is always no. I'm going to take some Blossom, which is this matte shade, on the first Wet n Wild brush that I took, and I'm going to kind of like tap over the Festival. And then I'm going to go into Spring, that first color, same brush, and zhuzh out whatever I just did. Then before we do any shimmers, I'm going to put down some NYX glitter glue. I probably should get a new one. This one is extremely old. And that's just so like the glitter has something to kind of like grip to, because we're going for like Barbie pink shimmer today. And I'm not cleaning anything up because since I'm working with like pink shimmers on top of pink matte eyeshadow, I think it'll be fine. I'm going to first take Sakura, which is this light pink, and I'm going to put that on like the inner half, and then I'm going to take Petals. We're going to go for it. Petals, which is this bright pink, and we're going to like put that on the outer half. I'm going to first try with a brush to put it on, and I'm using an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. It's really, again, really old. If that doesn't work, I'm just gonna go in with my finger. Hello?
Hey. What do you want from Wits? Or from Rita's?
So it's coming together. I'm gonna take a little bit of the first initial colors that we took, Spring, Blossom, and just blend the shimmers a little bit. And then I'm just gonna do this whole eye, and then I'll do the other eye off camera. For underneath, I think I'm going to take that festival color. No. Yes. No? Yeah, I'm going to take Festival for underneath, and then I'm going to buff it out with a Spring. So same colors that we used up top. I'm just going to use the same brushes and same colors for underneath. I am using a different shade for the shade. I'm using a different brush for Spring. I'm using an e.l.f. crease brush, which is like these little detail brushes I really like. Then we're gonna put some liner on. All right, for liner, we're using the NYX Epic Ink liner. The mascara I'm gonna use is the Lottie London Super Fake False Lash Effect mascara. They sent this to me and I've been using it quite a bit, and it is a really nice mascara. If you're looking for an affordable mascara, it's really nice. Another really affordable mascara is the Lash Princess, the Essence Lash Princess mascara. That's a good that's a good princess. That's a good mascara as well. All right, for lashes, I'm a little conflicted on if I should go like full Barbie and do like these little pink lashes. Do you see those? Maybe, maybe not. Yeah. Do you see like they have the little pink on the outside, or if I should just do some clusters? I think I'm just gonna do some clusters. Maybe for the Barbie movie, I'll use the pink lashes. All right, I'm going to go put these on off camera and finish the rest of my eye and face, and we will be back for some final thoughts. All right, guys, and here is the finished look. Lashes on, complexion done, lip on. What do we think? Very Barbie-core, very matching my earrings to my shirt and my makeup. I absolutely love it. If you are looking for a Barbie-core type palette, this Violet VOSS Sakura Blossom palette is probably going to be for you. Barbie-core Hot Pink is very in. I know it's more into clothes than makeup, but like, come on. This is like, if you're going to the Barbie movie, this is the palette for you. This is the makeup for you. And also this bright pink lip, it was $1.25. I used this Ayani Fat Lip Chubby Stick in Mexico Pink, and I put a gloss over top of it. Boom. $1.25 for this. Like, it is amazing. I didn't expect this to be a Barbie-core makeup look, but you know what? It's a Barbie-core makeup look. So if you are interested in any of these products, or you're just here for a good time and talking through makeup, that's totally fine. I will link all of the products that I use down in the description box below, so you can check them out on your own time if you're interested. No pressure. But yeah, this is the look. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Leave a comment down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. If you enjoyed the look, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.